behind me is our 1960 Jensen 541R. At the moment, our technician Rob is working on the chassis of this car. What's happened previously is someone has done some repairs to this car that weren't quite up to our standard. So what we're doing at the moment is taking all the bits off that weren't so great and redoing them all again from scratch. Above me is our 1964 Daimler 250 V8. Now this car has not been on the road since 2003, so it's going to have a full appraisal done by our team here at Bridge Classic Cars to see what we need to do to get it back on the road again. This is our Suzuki Every, but it's not ours anymore because it has been sold on the platform My Classics. I am really jealous, because I absolutely love this car and I really wanted it, but someone's beat me to it. But I'm sure it will have a lovely time with its new owner and going on lots of adventures. I'm just here with Clinton in the fabrications workshop. Clinton, what are you up to today?
I'm trying to repair this door skin, trying to save it. Usually they don't come in as good a condition, the bottoms are rotted out. But this one just got a few dents in it, so I'm just trying to save it, so keep it all original.
Lovely, and what car is this for?
Jensen 541.
Fabulous, thank you so much. This is Monty, one of our technicians. Monty, can you tell us what you've been up to today?
So I've been making these bonnet brackets for the Jensen 541. These ones that we made for a previous 541, and we just need more really, so because we've got a few on the go. Numerous pieces and they all bolt together, and then we've got some brackets for a 541.
Perfect, thank you so much. Chris, I see you're working on the Amphi car, so can you just tell us what you've been doing with it today?
Yeah, so at the moment we're making the quarter panel fit, welding that in, and then we've got some spot welds put around the bottom, and then fully weld it up. It's got to be waterproof, so everything's got to be fully welded, and yeah.
Amazing, thank you. I'll let you get back to work.
Thank you.
I'm here with Maro, one of our paint technicians. So Maro, what car are you working on and what is it you're up to with it?
This will be a competition car. So it will be a new paint job. We're prepping that, take all the rusts, issues, and that's it. It will be a nice competition car when it's all done.
Very exciting. Watch this space then, everybody. Also, what we have been doing today is we have been out at Bentwaters shooting our 2015 Land Rover Defender 110, and it was so much fun. So we cannot wait for you to see that very, very soon. It may even be live on the competition's website right now, so keep your eyes peeled for this beauty.